Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course, and this part 148 Laravel 11 get data from multiple table quantity and price sum tutorial, and this my part 6, and this is already this last part is available. This is a last part, and this my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started, Apache and MySQLi, and this is already run localhost PHP. My admin inside this real state underscore lara underscore 11. This is my database name. Inside this list of table is available, and this two table is available. First of all, this category table, and this category ID is 1 2 3 4. This is a category, and this is a category ID is available. Subcategory table, this is available. This is a category ID. Inside this 1 2 2 2 and 2 3 and 4. This is a sum is a implementation. Multiple table in single table is a converting. This is a sum is a implementation. And this my project is available gem folder inside this htdoc directory, and this is a project. This project is already open. This my sublime text editor. Let's run this project directory inside cmd. Open cmd, successfully open this project directory inside. Let's run php artisan server. php artisan server successfully working. This php artisan server, this URL is a copy and hit this browser. Successfully working, and this my project, and this is a route inside this web.php available, and this controller is open. This controller inside this category controller, and this two table is available. Two table means category. This is subcategory table. This subcategory inside this is available model, and this subcategory model. This is a subcategory model is available. This model inside this all good, and this is a category. This category, and this is a category table, and this is a category, and this category table is available. This category table, this is a model is available inside. This is a has many stock is a implementation category ID. This category ID is a implementation. This is a scroll down, and this last is a add more copy, same name copy, and slash and paste here. Successfully paste here inside. This is a static data is available, not a dynamic data, and this is a available static data in this index function, and this function is available index function. Same function is a index function. This available return view, add more resource view, add more. This is the file is available. Same file is available. Please write down. This is the same file is available, and this is the static data is available. This is a static data. This is a static data is a single data is a remove. Inside this is a slash data is a remove. Let's refresh this page. Successfully remove. Good working. This is a fine. Let's implementation. This is a dynamic data. First of all, this is open. Inside this one variable is a create. Variable name is a product. $product is equal to model is available. Category model. This is the same name is a copy, and this is already included and paste here. And this is a paginated is set. Paginated means and record after automatic pagination is a show. This pagination is a implementation, and this component compact, and this is a product same name is a copy and paste here. Save file successfully set. Let's open this. Inside this forest loop is available. This is a forest loop @forest, and this is a $product same name is a copy. This is a copy and paste here. Is $product simple name is a copy product, and this is a paste, and this forest otherwise forless. Let's forless implement forless is empty, and this is a end forest. Good working. Let's inside this is a record is a get, and this first of all this is a id get. product id. Second is the same name is the implementation name. This is a name. Last is a stock sum, means price and quantity. This is a price, and last is a quantity is a implementation. This is a sum. All good. This is a stock is available. This message is a close. This message not used. This is a name. Name is available. This is the database name. This is a name, and this is a id. This sub name, this sub category open inside this quantity and price. This is a quantity and this is a price and quantity, and this is stock is available inside this category. This same name is a stock, and this is a hash menu, and this is a model inside this is a implementation this category, otherwise not a show. And this is a as empty record is a not available, and this is a condition is a implementation. This is a call span. Call span is 3 in this record not available. This there is not a product, otherwise not a category. Any implementation, this is a category, less category, not a category available. And this pagination is a implementation bootstrap pagination. This is a bootstrap pagination link is a set. Good working. Please write down this is a forest loop. All successfully set. Let's refresh this page, and this is a record is a get successfully implementation. This 4 record is available. 1 record is available only 8, 9 and 25. This is a set. This is a available 8, 9. This is a price. This is a price is available 8, 9. This is a quantity 254. 254 is available, and this is a 2 number is available. This is a all sum is a set. This is a this and this sum is a inside. This is a show. All good. And this is a price is a this sum is a implementation, and this is last is a 637, and this is a 637, and this is a price is a 869. All sum is a implementation. Let's inside this is a 1, only 1 is set, and refresh this page. Inside this is a minus. Let's name is a implementation name. Good, and this is a quantity. Let's add this is a 8 and this is a 9, and this is a 4 and this is a 5, and submit successfully. This is a good, and this is a 8 inside this 7, and this is a save. Let's refresh this page, and successfully inside this is available 8 and 9, and this is available 8, 9 is a 1, 7, and this is a 9 is available. This is a 5 and 4, and this is a product is available. 5 number is a this is a good name. This 5 number is available. This is a category available. This 5 number. Let's my missing, and this same name is a cut, and inside this paste here, and this quantity first after price successfully set. This is a your mind is a refresh this again page, successfully set. This is a quantity, and this is a quantity. Sub quantity is a implementation. All this quantity and price. This quantity and price, and this is a blank table is a blank table. Let's remove this table, otherwise this click this table, and this pagination is a set. This pagination is a implement 5 record automatically. Pagination is a show, and this is available. This name is a 10. Let's 5 record, and refresh this page, and this pagination is a show. This is a pagination is a working 5 only. This 5 record is a show. Good working inside this, otherwise this is get, and this is a working fine, and this is a 100 set. Save file and refresh this page, successfully set 100 record, and refresh this page, and this is not available. Let's inside this is only 2 record, and save, and this pagination is a show. This is a good working 2 record, and this pagination is a show. Let's next is a click this next, and this is a next 3 5, and this is a 4, and this is the available. Pagination is a good working. This is a fine. This pagination is a this remove, and this is a remove, and this is a pagination after show, and this is a 20 record automatically. Pagination is a show. This 20 record not available. 20 record after pagination is a show, and this is a table, and this is a show. this good, and this is a record, there is not a record, and this table is a clean, and this is a not a show. Let's click this in this remove, and this table is a blank, successfully blank table, and this table is not available. Let's refresh this page. This is a 00 is available, good working. This is not available. This table is a category table. Let's open this category table. Inside this record is a all clean. This is a record is a clean, and this two table is a clear. Very nice. This two table is a create, and refresh this page. This is a good, there is a not a category, this category is not available, and this is a else part. And let's submit and add, and this submit and successfully submit, and this sum is a one category is available, and this is a created, good working. Let's refresh this page, and 3 times is available. This is a one record, and this subcategory is a select, and this is a one ID is available. This is one, and this quantity sum and price sum is available. This sum is available, quantity and price sum. Please write down. This is all good. This is a sum, quantity and price. This is a talk, and talk is available inside this talk. Your mind is a doubt, so please contact this my official website error solution, and I am available anytime. Please contact. And this my bell icon, press this error solution, subscribe my channel, and follow this all social media link. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.